Has your SoundLink Mini II ever not powered on when pressing the power button? If so, here are a few steps you can take to power your speaker back on. First, it's important to note that if your speaker has been disconnected from AC power and used for more than 24 days, the system will enter a protection mode to preserve battery power and lifespan. To take your speaker out of protection mode, we recommend using the Bose USB power supply that came with the system, because it will provide the proper voltage for this process. While many third-party USB chargers will provide some level of charge to the Bose system, some will not work at all, and some may provide an inconsistent charging time. If you're unable to use the Bose power supply, please ensure you use at least a 1.6 amp USB wall charger. Also, just this once, we suggest bypassing the charging cradle and connecting directly to the USB port on the right side of the speaker, and properly connected to an AC outlet. The system will emit a tone to confirm that it is receiving power. If the system does not emit a tone, you may need to perform a software update. We know it sounds strange, but even if your speaker isn't turning on, sometimes you're still able to perform software updates. First, connect your speaker to your computer's USB port. Then go to this website btu.bose.com. The Bose device update or should detect your speaker and show you if there are any available software updates. Click Apply Changes if an update is available. Do not unplug your speaker during the update. Once complete, press and release the power button to turn it on. If it still isn't turning on,
change battery.
Set the system to ship mode before going into disassembly. Remove the 4 6mm T9 torque screws at the corners of the battery. Insert the tip of the tool between the grill and the grill tabs, between the PSA and the grill tabs that hold the grill. Remove the grill carefully. Remove the 8 screws securing the front bezel. Use a tool to pry up the front bezel and remove the front bezel to avoid damaging the cabinet. Do not use the cabinet as a pry point to remove the grill. Pull the boost board out of the main PCB slot and push it out of the cabinet together with the battery. Insert the boost board of the brand new Kingshan Air battery back into the main PCB slot. And fix the battery mounting device in place. Install the front baffle back to a fixed position. And lock 8 screws. After locking the screws, pay attention to install back to the grill. Do not use brute force throughout the process to avoid damage. Finally, fix the 4 screws that fix the battery and install the rubber base. Let's listen to the wonderful sound of SoundLink Mini II. Thanks for watching.